Hello friends, welcome to my channel Online Maths Class Nepal. Friends, today I'm going to explain you about the circle. Yes, the circle of optional maths, and the question is related to the question of grade 10 optional maths book. So here you can see the question is like this. Find the equation of the circle whose center is 4,5 and it passes through the center of the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12. So basically what I want to explain in this question is how to find the equation of the circle. So before you go to find for the equation, you need to understand about the formula. So let me write the of the formula to find the equation of circle. So the formula is like this. It is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So according to this, we need to understand this is the formula to find the equation of the circle passing through the center, and it should have the radius. So if you see in the formula, so you can find there are two important things in the formula. So you can see there is h, k and r. So basically what you need to understand is this x and y, we don't need the values, but while we need the values of h, k and r. So how to find the h, k and r? So you can see, so this h and k means, first you need to understand what is this h, k. This h, k is the center, right? So it could be in the form of the coordinates. So in our question right now, this has been given, like you can see in the question here is given, find the equation of the circle whose center is 4,5. That means 4,5 is available. Okay, that's a very good news. So now you need to understand what about the radius. Okay, so to find the radius, you need to, for temporarily, you need to have the value of this x and y, so that we can replace this value here, and this h and k definitely we already have. We need to have the value of x and y, and we can solve this entire things, and then you can get the value of the r square. But right now, that has not been available. But one thing in the question has been mentioned, you need to understand is that it passes through the center of the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 2. So now let me make you reduce your confusion here. So the equation of the circle is already given, so why do we need to find the equation, new equation? Okay, you need to understand that. So basically we have one circle whose equation is missing, and it's the equation of another circle is giving, and it has been told that another circle might be bigger one. Okay, so now I'm drawing very rough figure here. So let's consider this is the center. Okay, so though it's not looking like a complete circle, okay, I'll try my best. So just for the understanding purpose, okay, this is the circle. So here you can see this center. Okay, so the center of this circle, this the equation of this circle has been given as x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 has been given, right? So you can see, and this equation center is only giving, so it has been given 4,5, and we need to have this value. Okay, this point, you can see this point is playing a double role here. So this same point is playing the role of center for this equation which is given in the question, and the same point is playing the role for the passing point for this circle, so which is actually the x and y we need to have. So what is this x and y? So from this circle point of view, the first one, the smaller circle point of view, this will work as x and y, and from this big circle point of view, this is hk. So what we need to do is this: if we find this hk, then we will be able to identify this xy is the same value as it is. So what we need to do is we need to deal with this circle, the given circle, the helper circle. Okay, we'll consider this one is helper circle. So from this helper circle we will find the ray that's actually center h and k, and that we will implement here, and that will transfer to this, and after transferring this we'll go back to our formula, and then we can find the equation of the circle. So that is our plan. Now let me show you the full solution of this question. So what we have to do is, first we have to write the given helper equation of helper circle. Okay, so I will write helper circle. So why I'm calling it helper circle? Because this is the circle equation given by the question, and that was given as, so in this equation you can see that, so this is the helper equation of the helper circle. So from this equation we are going to identify the radius and the center both, but we will trace out the center only, because we just need h and k value of from this equation, so that we can transfer that value to the our circle, okay, that is small one. So which I have already drawn the figure. So first, how to deal with this kind of equation to find the center of the circle, I'm going to explain you. So first you consider this x group, okay. So x group, I'm going to make them at the same side, like x square plus 4x. And similarly this y group, y group, y square plus 6y is there. And now what to do with this 12? It doesn't have any pair, so what we simply gonna do is we need to keep that 12 in other side, which will work as, okay. Now you have to convert this equation into its perfect square. So what is perfect square? So the perfect square means, you know, the formula of a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, like that. So now you have to consider that, okay, this is a square, so now there should come 2ab. So here is plus, so I'm going to write plus only. 2 means 2, a means x, and b. So now to make b here, I have to keep some number here, but what number should I keep here? So you see this middle term here, so it is 4x. To make 4, what number should I multiply? Of course it's 2, right? So 2 2s are 4, so this is 2 is going to play the role of b square, so it is going to be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is one side for the x. So same thing we'll be doing for this y group also. So you can see here is plus, so y as a square, so here is plus, now 2ab, right? So again I'm writing 2, and a means definitely this y. Now b means, what number should I keep here? Again guess. So you can see here it is 6y, right? So 2 3s are 6, so my number is going to be 3, and this is 3 square. Now it also become a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what to do with the other side? There is other side, there is 12. So now with this 12, few new members will be also added here. So that new member is going to be the same number that we have, that b square one, okay. So this 2 square and this 3 square will also join this group, so that there will be the balance in the equation. So you can see here, these are actually the new members in the equation, right? So it was already, these two things were already there, but it was added. You can see here, you have to note down this, okay. This was not there earlier, we just added it. So to make that balance, we have to keep in the right hand side also, so that it can be eliminated if we want, but we won't want that. And after that, you can see here it is x minus 2 whole square, sorry, this is x plus 2 whole square. We know that, yes, we have converted into the perfect square. Similarly this is y plus 3 whole square. And now what will happen with this number? This is 12 plus 4 plus 9. So how much it is going to be? So x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equals to 25. So this total is 25, so I'm going to write it 5 square. So now after coming to this point, what we have to do is we have to compare the equation with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So our h value is going to be minus 2, and k value is going to be minus 3, and r is equals to 5. However, we don't need this right now, so we just want this, okay. So you can see here, we have just got the center of the helper equation. So now let me tell you one more thing here. So we have got why our h is becoming minus 2, while we can see here is plus 2 plus 3. So because our original equation formula is in minus form, so when I trace out this value, this minus will be transferred to here, okay. If the equation was minus here, then I wouldn't have written this minus 2. And if here also you can see same case, this is in the plus, so that's why you would take the opposite sign. So you need to understand, if it was in minus, I would have taken the positive value only. So that is h k. So now let me tell you, I have already explained you one thing. The h k of center of the h k of helper circle is equal to xy. Yeah, that means the passing point, our circle, okay. I'll write our circle. Our circle means that small one which I explained you earlier in the figure, xy passing point of our circle. So xy is equals to minus 2 minus 3. Now friends, now it's a time to find the equation of our helper circle, our own circle. So now what we have to do is, first we have to find the radius of our circles. Now you can consider, now dealing with our circle. First you can write dealing with our circle, center was given, right? You know, in the beginning only I told you the center was given in the question. Let me show you the question once again. Whose center is 4 comma 5? That means the center of our circle is 4 comma 5, and xy just now we have found found with the helper equation, and that was minus 2 comma 3. You can see, so I'm going to write minus 2 comma 3. Now radius is missing, so we have to find first the radius. So first step is to find the radius. Now to find radius, you can simply write, first you write the original formula, x minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So our x is from this side only, so this is minus 2 minus 4 whole square, and this is y is 3 minus 5 whole square. R square we have to find, so this is minus 6 whole square, and this is minus 2 whole square is equals to r square. This is 36, and this is 4 r square, and 36 plus 4 is 40. So r square, therefore r square is equals to 40. Okay, you don't need to find the r, you just need to find the r square. So after getting the r square value, now we again have to rewrite the formula to find the equation. Now this is the final step. To find the equation, we again have to rewrite the formula as x minus h whole square, because we don't have any other formula to find the equation of the circle. Okay, so this is what, because now this time, very important thing I'm going to tell you, you don't have to keep the value of x and y, just keep the value of h and k, because while forming the equation, you might have noticed there actually exists the x and y thing. Okay, so we don't have to put the value of x and y. X and y was just used to find the radius. Now its work is done. So what we have to do is, we are going to keep the value of center only. So our center is definitely 4 whole square, and y is y, as I have, and k is 5 whole square is equals to, this is 40. We have already got it. For this purpose we use that. Okay, now x square minus 4 to the 8x plus 16. So this is all extension of the formula. A is a minus b whole square, a square minus 2b plus b square, and similarly y minus 5 whole square becomes y square minus 10y plus 25 is equals to 40. Now the rest of the thing is, you just need to arrange the things and your equation is done. Okay, I'm keeping x square y square in the front line, then 8x minus 10y, and this plus 16 plus 25 and 40 also you can bring it at the left hand side equals to 0. So this is the final equation of our circle. So friends, what you need to understand is, we actually needed the value of radius and center, but the radius value was not given in our question. But and to find the radius of the circle, we took the help of the helper circle. That thing you need to understand. But in some normal question, what the question will be like, you will be given the center value and you will be given the radius value directly, and in that case you don't have to go the long process. You just need to use this formula, keep the value of the center and the radius. So this all thing was done because the radius value was not given. You need to understand. And so finally, thanks for watching my video. You can comment in my YouTube channel for other same kind of videos suggestions, and according to that I will be making the more videos like this. And finally, thanks for watching.